outliers. And so what do I mean by delta? So delta is basically the difference between the ask and the bid, right? So let me write this down. So delta equals ask minus bid. And so this is important because there's obviously two types of delta we can have. There's a positive delta and there's a negative delta. So what happens is if the ask is a lot bigger than the bid, this means we have positive delta. Positive delta. Now, if we have it the opposite way around, what that means is that the bid is a lot bigger than the ask. We now have what we call negative delta. And so why is this important? Coming back to our trend exhaustion inside of a fair value gap, right? What we're looking for is we're looking for the market to give us an indication, right? Just going into a POI or a fair value gap and then going off a candle confirmation or a candle closure isn't quite enough. It's not accurate, right? Because you're relying on ICT concepts or general price action concepts, which isn't necessarily the most reliable. This is the most reliable way to form trend reversals. So when we come into the candle, we're just going to be focusing on where we see the outliers. In particular, we see here 9 for 27, 5 for 19, 10 for 25. So we can see an overwhelmingly positive delta, which means there's more aggressive buyers than sellers. Now, when we go to a fair value gap, when you see a lot more aggressive buyers and sellers, if I just continue to play price on a little bit, this is kind of where we're looking. We're looking